Tired of the same old boring turkey burgers? I've got the recipe for you with these Jalapeño Cheddar turkey burgers. They're bursting with cheddar cheese and jalapeno flavor and are great for those who love a spicy kick to their burger. Here's how to make them. Start by taking out your cutting board and dicing one jalapeno into small pieces. I'm leaving the seeds in, but if you don't want it too spicy, I would recommend removing as many seeds as you can. Take out a medium-sized bowl which we'll use to mix all of our ingredients in. Start by adding your diced jalapenos to the bowl. 1 pound of 93.7 ground turkey. You can use a lean ground beef if you prefer. 1/4 cup of diced onion. 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. 1/2 teaspoon minced garlic. 1/2 cup cheddar cheese. For our seasonings, we're using 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Spray your hands with cooking spray to make it easier to mix everything. Then begin mixing everything until it's combined. After you're done mixing, place a sheet of parchment paper on your table. Take about 1/4 of your mixture and form your mixture into a patty. You should end up with 4 patties with this recipe. Head over to your stove, turn your burner on medium heat, and place a skillet or grill pan on top of it. Give it a light spray of oil. Place your patty on the skillet and cook it on medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. After that, flip your patty over and finish cooking it for another 5 to 8 minutes. Once it's finished cooking, remove it from the pan and finish cooking your remaining burger patties. Now to assemble the burger. Start with your hamburger buns and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your choice mayo. Add your burger patty on top of one of the buns. Then add sliced onion, a slice of tomato, and some lettuce. Place the other bun on top, and you're all set with your Jalapeño Cheddar turkey burger. Enjoy these like you would with any other burger with a side of fries and your favorite condiments. If you plan to meal prep these throughout the week, wait until the day of to assemble your burger. This will help prevent the buns from getting too soggy from all of the moisture. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.